I'm down over 200 pounds. Let's make it pumpkin caramel chocolate chip mug cake. Let's go. I'm coming at you looking crazy today. I'm still in yesterday's makeup. But it is what it is. I've got to make this pumpkin caramel chocolate chip mug cake. It's low in sugar, got a little bit of protein. I need it. Eat a serving of this keto pancake mix. This is the chocolate chip one. And I also have this one that I've made it with before, but I just need chocolate chips today. You know what I'm saying? I do get these from Thrive Market. So let's use a 1/3 cup of this mix. Each serving of this has 7 grams of protein, and then the regular one has 6 grams. You can add more protein to it by adding like some, like a protein shake to this as your wet ingredient. But I'm going to use pumpkin caramel skinny syrup so we can get that pumpkin taste to this. And I just add a little bit as I go and mix in more if I need it. But obviously want to get like that pancake consistency. Obviously you can spray your bowl too. Y'all know I forget that every single time. Every time I forget that. You could also add a little pumpkin puree to this. I think it would make it extra pumpkin and be really good. Okay, so I've got the consistency I want, and I'm going to put it in Chef Mike. I usually do like a minute to a minute 30 seconds. I'll let you know. It's so hot, but I put it in there for about a minute. She's steaming, piping hot. Now at this point, you can add a syrup. So I'm going to show you some syrups that I got. This is the organic pancake mix that I had the other day. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is another option for a sugar-free syrup. This is Lecanto maple flavored syrup. It's sugar-free. They sweeten this one with monk fruit. Both fantastic options. But we're not going to do just a regular pancake syrup. No, ma'am, we're not. We need caramel syrup. So I got this the other day. It's organic caramel syrup. Did I say caramel? Caramel syrup. This one is from RX Sugar. I did get this from Thrive Market also. Okay. Put that on there. Then I am going to add some pumpkin spice skinny sauce to this because obviously we need extra pumpkin, right? All right. And we're not done. How about some pumpkin spice whip topping? Beautiful. One for good measure. Always. I keep forgetting. But when I meet you guys in person, you let me know how important that is. And you like it. So let's not forget that anymore. All right. Let's taste test this baddie. That cake soaked that syrup right up. You guys. Oh my gosh, you have to make this.